Okay. Right now I am headed out to TJ Maxx to meet my great niece because we are going to a sambo class on this Wednesday, the 19th. It was $15 to relieve stress, to heal, and all this. So this is our first time, so I'm headed out now. So once I get to TJ Maxx and get there with her, I'm gonna finish this video.
I'm recording now.
Yeah, we
They got
at
started over.
TJ Maxx. So now we are headed into TJ Maxx. We are about to go in here and our stuff. I keep living, whatever. I'm just doing it wrong. Because I'm all just bobbleated. So now we're going here because we are finna do a sound bowl bath.
A sound bowl class. When Wednesday
The 19th.
Wednesday evening on Juneteenth with the Birmingham tribe. I'm so excited. We need a yoga mat. She needs some leggings, and I think a pillow, a neck pillow or something. I don't know.
And our cups. So
Yeah,
here we go. Let's go this way. Cups. I like that. But it's not in. So we'll come back to the cups. So we're checking out the leggings now. But all of them look short. Let's see. They look like the longest ones. You have some already? I like them, but I don't like them. Because I wanted these to be. I like these. It just ain't long enough. But those the ones I like. But I guess I get these. I'm gonna ride around the way else. You said we was going to one stop. No. So we have these leggings here.
I was already recording. Got sidetracked.
Between this one and well, this could not be in purple. Oh my God.
Somebody got sidetracked. Came in here for yoga mats and leggings. And she looking at shoes. They cute though.
So we have purchased our items for Wednesday, the 19th at 6:30. We will be headed to North Birmingham doing what say our
sound bowl bath class with the Black Yoga Tribe.
With the who?
The Black Yoga Tribe.
This is gonna be fun. I think once we do this, we are going to be doing it again. This is gonna be our very first one. She's got to buy. Huh? Cause I go and I'm gonna spend some money at Michael's.
Okay.
Bye. Okay. Hello. Today is the day. It is Wednesday, Juneteenth. And Sayon and myself, we are going over to the Black Yoga Tribe, where we will be doing the sound bowl bath experience from 6:30 to 7:30. This is our first time. We are excited about this experience and need some relief to get some of this stuff off of me. So I hope it helps me that when I come back home, I am rejuvenated, I am fresh. My mind is clear. I can think much better, and a lot of stuff that has been going on with me, I can release it off of me, and it's gone. So today is the first day, and if I like it, I definitely will be coming back for the yoga's beginning class. We definitely will be coming back. This is something we're going to start doing, something we're going to connect ourselves with and get connected with more with the universe and with the God in us, spirits in us. So we are on Red Line Road, headed over here. It's located in North Birmingham, and we are about to have a great experience the first time at the Black Yoga. So see you all later. Say it's walking in. We are here. Okay, we are leaving, and when I say we have had an experience, it was supposed to be from 6:30 to 7:30. It's now 8:42, and I could have stayed all night with the experience we had, laying and just each chakra being called out and breathing in, breathing out, just letting go of stuff and being able to just release. So we couldn't vlog while we were in there. Yeah,
It's your turn.
we couldn't vlog while we were in there, but afterwards we sat, we drank tea, we talked about some trauma and things that has gone on in our lives, and it was amazing. I will be back. We will be back. Me and Sayon will be back next week. I think we may try the beginning yoga Monday, but if not, we definitely will be back for the sound bowl experience class, and it is a must. If you want to go to it, you never had it, this is our first time, I suggest you do experience this. It's worth it more than $15. The experience I got tonight.
Yeah, I said the same thing.
It's amazing. The atmosphere is so calming. It's so relaxing. It's so peaceful. She was so kind to us. I'm gonna take the picture of the brochure of her card, and I'm gonna tag it to this vlog. But if you needing to get rid of some trauma, if you're needing to get rid of some bad energy off of you, some healing, if you need some healing, this is a safe place to be. And this is the first Black yoga place in Birmingham. They are the first ones, so it is a must experience to do. So that is it. We are headed home. I got some relief off of me, and I'm glad, and setting some boundaries. Some boundaries are about to be set. Some people may be mad at me for some things that it's gonna say no to, and don't care about some things anymore. It's some damn boundaries about to be set. So hey, if you don't like how I'm finna come, tough titty. And this vlog is done.